Hey everybody, it's Paula from Crafted by the Pond. I hope you're having a great day. I'm on here today to show you what I've been up to with the hashtag No Paper Left Behind. So I'm using the Jen Hatfield Along the Way, and I, along the way, have killed half this pad. Woohoo! So anyway, let me kind of show you. So like I have these like little scraps left so far from everything that I've done. So I'm still I'm just kind of putting these off to the side because I will use them. Da, da, da. Okay, so here's my bucket of fun of things that I've done. I've done multiple of things, but these are just kind of like the prototypes. So I made these cute little bows. And I used the Jen Hatfield Along the Way. Those are the little stickers, the wood stickers. So those, I've done those. And let's see. Oh, okay. So I made these cute little cards. They're little purse cards. And you just kind of open them up and you can put whatever you want on the inside. I haven't put any embellishments on them. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been doing. So there's two different kind of styles. So having a lot of fun with this. It's so fun. Okay, so, and I made these, oh, okay. So I made this rosette. It's a heart. Look at me, Tuts. Woo-woo! Moving right along. So I made up a bunch of those. So, yeah, that's really kind of helping me out. And also what's helping me out is I got a silhouette cameo for Christmas. So this is like a game changer for me. Like, I don't know how I crafted without this thing before. And when I first got it, I was like, I didn't really want it. I wanted the scan and cut. But my husband did a bunch of research and he's like, no, you're going to like this better. And he was right. Okay, so then I made these cute little pillow boxes. And in the pillow boxes, I have the cute little tag cutouts from the paper pack because there was a ton of cutouts. And I was thinking, okay, so what am I going to do with those? So, and these fit in my little pillow box. So, yeah, and this was design I got off the Silhouette Studio. So that was fun doing that. And so those I'll just put right back in there. My goal with using this pad was to make embellishments and things for Happy Mail for the year because I'm hopeful that I'll be starting my new job soon and I won't have time to craft like I do now. So I'm trying to like stockpile a bunch. So I mean, I made a bunch of these pillow boxes, you guys, because there's a bunch of tags. So, and I thought this is cute for friend mail because when you mail them, you know, you of course, they will lay flat. I just don't want to rip it. You know, so you could actually just, you know, lay that flat, and I'll finish embellishing these at a later time. I just kind of wanted to show you what I was thinking about when I did them. So there's that. Okay, and I love pocket letters, pocket letters, pocket letters, pocket letters. So I made a ton of envelopes. So I made just, these are not done, but this also is the paper from the pack and then the little cutout that goes on the front of the envelope. These are not done. I'll do more embellishments on these. And then here's just the simple envelope. I like to do envelopes when I do pocket letters because that way the stuff doesn't fall out. You know, when you put in your little treats or whatever, it does not fall out. So then here's another one. It just says hello friend. And then this one, I really like this style. I don't know if you can see it really good. Let's put it against the white. See, it's kind of scalloped. It's very, very pretty. So, I mean, I stockpiled a bunch of these, you guys, because that way I can still, you know, once I start working, I can still participate in swaps, and I'm going to have you know, materials to work with, so I can just kind of put some more together. I think I'm going to probably do another set of those, only because the pad is just so versatile. You can do a lot with it, and this way I'll be like good to go for the spring and whatever. Okay, so, oh, what else do I have? Okay, oh, so I cut out some bag toppers with these, and I'm going to cut out several more bag toppers, I think, with the scraps that I have. Because you can never have too many of those, because, you know, I'm always sending Happy Mail and things like that. I made this cute little sticky note holder. I still need to put a little piece of Velcro on there, and it's just a very simple design, but also great for friend mail. And like I said, I'm going to be making several more of these just so I can have them on hand for swaps and Happy Mail. And big shout out to the Posh Paper Lady. Love your channel. I made her little book. She did these cute little Valentine books, I think earlier in the week, and I think Monday. And so I said, I want to make that, and I did. Check it out. So these are cute. I am going to make up a whole bunch more of these, because these are just darling, and they will fit in a pocket letter. So they're like the perfect little size. I'm going to make up several more of those. Check out her tutorial on how to do it. It was the Valentine's Day mini books, and I believe it was from Monday. So total credit to her. Thank you so much for teaching me how to do this. I totally nicked your idea. And it was really pretty easy to make. My biggest level of frustration with this whole thing was to try to find a 2-inch square die, and all the dies that I had. That took me actually the longest to do. So it's really not hard, you guys. And, you know, part of the beauty of watching other crafters is to see what they're making and what they're doing, and, you know, try something new. It will give you more confidence, right? Because I sometimes look at stuff and I'm like, there's no way I can make that. Well, guess what? I did. Okay, so now this is the prototype for another sticky note holder that I did. And this was from my silhouette, the actual design. And it kind of stands up like on your desk. So, because I know as crafters, we're always kind of like trying to measure stuff or do whatever. So yeah, I made up one of these. This is just the prototype, and I'm going to make up a bunch more of these as well. So anyway, that's kind of what I've been doing with my hashtag No Paper Left Behind. I'm going to link the other ladies' channels who are participating, so go and show them some crafty love. So what I have left with my papers, I'm going to probably design a couple more of these, definitely more of those, a few more of those, and I need to kind of knock out a couple cards. So just some basic hello cards and things like that. So I'll probably be back one more time, because I'll try to wait until I'm like done. Okay. So, because I don't know what my schedule is going to be, so I'll try to work it in as best I can. But anyway, let me know what your favorite item is, or let me know if there's something that you want me to try, because I'll try anything once. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day. Be sweet to each other and be kind, and I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye.